video, I will explain you how to print this diamond shape star pattern. So basically, I am using Java language. I have created one class pattern program, and inside this class, we have one main method, public static void main. So in this main method, I have taken integer row is equal to 9, because if you see the total rows are 9. That's why I have taken row is equal to 9. Integer star is equal to 1. Why? Because on the first row, if you see, the star is 1, and space is equal to 4, because on the first row, if you see, the number of spaces be, uh, previous to the star is number is a 4. So that's why I have taken 4. If you increase this middle line to 6, then it will might change based upon the number of stars, the maximum stars we have in the maximum star row that we have in our diamond shape. So based upon that, it will change, so that you have to keep in mind. Okay, so let's see for the current diamond shape. Okay, so I have taken space is equal to 4, because currently we are having 4 spaces. And then this is the for loop. This is important for loop. So in this for loop, I have taken integer I is equal to 1, I less than equal to row I plus plus, which means currently rows are 9, so that's why I less than equal to row. Okay, so then we have for loop inside the for loops. There are two for loops inside the for loop. So here the first for loop is to print the space, because if you see, the firstly we are printing space and then star. If you second row also, we are firstly printing space and then stars. That's why firstly I have written for the code for the space for loop. So okay, integer k is equal to 0, k less than space. Currently space is equal to 4, so it will start from 0 to k less than space, which is 4, k plus plus, system dot out dot print, it will print the space. And the second for loop, we have code for integer j is equal to 0, j less than star, j plus plus, system dot out dot print. So currently stars are only 1, so it will print 1 star. Okay, so then after these for loops, we have code which says system dot out dot println. So basically, to change the row, we have system dot out dot println, and we have important if else condition. Okay, what it is for? If you see, for the first four rows, for the first 5 rows, we are increasing the star value and reducing the space value by 1, and star value is increasing by 2. Okay, so if I less than equal to 4, we want to increase star by 2 and reduce space by 1. And after that fourth row, we want to reduce the stars by 2 and increase the space by 1. If you see on the left side only, so space is only for the left side we have to consider, we don't have to consider about the right side spaces. Okay, so after fourth row, we want star is equal to star minus 2 and space plus plus. So okay, so let's execute the code and check whether we have written the correct code, and it should print the diamond pattern. Yes, it's working fine. So how it works is, for the first row I iteration I have already explained. For the second iteration, when I value is 2, this will print 3 spaces, because we have now space is equal to 3, and it will print 3 stars, because we have increased value of star by 2. So 1 plus 1 1 plus 2 is 3, so it will print 3 stars. And then it will check, it will change the row, and then it will check this condition. We have to increase I is less than currently 4, then it will increase star by 2 and space by reduce space by 1. So same way it will execute for till its value of I is less than equal to 4. Then after that, it will execute the else condition, which is star minus 2 and space plus plus. So this is how we can print the diamond pattern using this Java code. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.